In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move completed tasks in Asana. By the end, you'll know the quickest, most reliable way to tidy up your personal task list so only active work stays in view while finished items are neatly archived. Start by opening Asana and heading to the home area. Home is the dashboard that gives you a quick snapshot of what's on your plate. From here, everything you need is just a click away in the left sidebar so you won't have to hunt around. If your sidebar is collapsed, hover near the edge and expand it so you can see your navigation options. Next, click on My Tasks in the left sidebar. My Tasks is your personal workspace where you manage everything assigned to you across all projects. It's the ideal place to clean things up because what you do here affects only your own list, not anyone else's. For the smoothest experience, make sure you're viewing your tasks in a list layout so you can easily drag and drop items between sections, including the completed group that sits below your active sections. Now, find the task you want to move. Hover your cursor to the left of the task name until you see the six-dot handle appear. That handle is your grab point. Click and hold it to pick up the task. You should see a subtle outline that tells you the item is ready to move. This is helpful if your list is long because you'll get visual feedback as you drag. If you're working through several finished items, you can repeat the same action one by one to keep your list consistent and easy to scan. Finally, drag the task down to the completed section and release. As you hover over completed, you'll notice a highlight indicating exactly where the task will land. Drop it there and Asana will mark it complete and file it under completed, keeping the history, comments, and attachments intact. Your active list will immediately look cleaner and the task remains fully searchable and linked to its original project. If you drop something in the wrong place by accident, use the on-screen undo prompt or your standard undo shortcut to reverse the move. That's all it takes. Open Home, go to My Tasks, grab the task by the six-dot handle, and drag it into completed. Building this into your end-of-day routine helps you maintain a focused to-do list and a trustworthy record of what's done without deleting anything. Thanks for watching, and keep your workspace streamlined by moving finished work to completed as soon as you wrap it up.